Hey guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about my all-time favorite deep conditioning hair mask, which I think is perfect for this season. This hair mask hydrates the hair and promotes the growth of hair, and also it leads to stronger, softer and shinier hair. So get ready to get your hands dirty and nourish your hair. Let's begin. So for this hair mask, you will need egg. Now egg is densely packed with protein, omega-3 fatty acids, biotin, folate, vitamin A and D. Eggs are best for hair loss, brittle hair and are good for hair growth. Second up, we need a avocado. Now avocado is high in vitamin E, fatty acids, and it helps with hair loss and act as a natural moisturizer. It makes hairs shiny and it's great for dry, damaged and weak hairs. Next up, we will need a banana. Now banana has potassium and vitamins in it, which is good for thickening of hair and it helps in growth of hair. And lastly, I'm using this DIY hair oil blend, which I made it by myself, and it has lots of nice oils like avocado oil, olive oil, castor oil, which is really nice for hair growth. And if you haven't seen that video yet, I will link it above. Please go and have a look. That oil has really helped in my hair growth journey and the way my hair looks now. And I'm taking all the ingredients in a food processor and I'm blending it all together until it becomes a fine paste. Here I'm using Ninja, but you can totally go ahead and use any kind of food processor you have, or you can simply use a bowl and a fork to mash all ingredients together. This is how the consistency will look like, and I'm in my bathroom because it gets really messy. But I really don't mind the mess after seeing the results. So I'll be working on small section of hairs using my hands, and I'm applying it on all the strands from top to bottom and rolling them and sticking them together on the top of my head. So here I'm starting with a front part of my hair and taking small section and applying it from top to bottom, and then I'm taking the next strand and then next and then next, and then continuing like this for my whole hairs. If you cannot do it like this, do not sweat. Just apply it like your other hair mask and cover it with a shower cap. After you are done, leave it for 40 minutes to an hour and rinse your hair using your favorite shampoo and conditioner. I like to use this shampoo from Kalia. It's the Canadian brand and it's all natural and it's free from parabens and sulfates, which of course you do not want in your hair product. I have been using this product from about a month and I am freaking loving this. According to me, it's really important that you use a product that are gentle on your hairs, because you may not have always time for a DIY treatment. All the steps are mentioned in the description box down below, so feel free to check. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and follow me on all my socials, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. I would love to have you guys there. Till then, bye guys!